Hello, everyone. All right, now I'm going to teach you guys the transformations for exponential functions. Before I continue this video, go ahead and pause it right now and copy down these notes. All right, welcome back. Okay, as you can see in the notes, I'm going to read from left to right. Any function that you are given, if it has a negative sign in the front, that means it has a reflection over the x-axis. And then the number that's in front of the parentheses, if it's not 1. If it's any other number besides 1. If that number is greater than 1, it's going to stretch. If it's less than 1, it's going to shrink. So an example for a number greater than 1 could be like 2, 5, 8. And a number less than 1 could be like 1/2, 1/3, 2/5, etc. All right? Now look at the exponent. See how it says x minus 8. It could be x minus any number or x plus any number. That tells you it has a horizontal shift left or right. And as you can see, it goes to the left if it's x plus any number. And it goes to the right if it's x minus any number. And that last number, which is plus k, has a vertical shift up or down. If it's plus a number, it goes up. If it's minus a number, it goes down. All right, let's look at some examples. All right, in this first example, as you can see, it says negative in front right here. So that means it has a reflection over the x-axis. And as you can see, that 5, is it greater than 1 or less than 1? Yep, greater than 1. So it's going to stretch by a factor of 5. And then looking at this exponent right here, it says x minus 1. So that means it's going to go to the right 1 unit. And then that last number right there, plus 3, that means it's going to go up 3 units. And that's it. All right, let's try another example. In this next one, as you can see, there's no negative. So therefore, there's no reflection over the x-axis. But you do have that 4. Since it's greater than 1, it's going to be a stretch by a factor of 4. And then in that exponent, it says x plus 5. So therefore, you're going to go to the left 5 units. And that last number, minus 7, means you're going to go down 7 units. All right, let's look at another example. In this one, we don't have a negative sign, and you don't see a number because there's an imaginary 1. Anytime you see a 1 in front, there's no stretch or shrink. All right, looking at that exponent, it's just x. So you're not moving left or right because there's nothing added or subtracted to it. But if you look at that last number right there, it's minus 8. So that means you're going to go down 8 units. All right, and the last example, that negative sign, what does it mean? Yep, you're right. Reflection over the x-axis. In the exponent, it says x plus 2. So that means you're going to go to the left 2 units. And what do you notice? You don't have a number at the end. So therefore, you're not going up or down. And that's it.